much of flavor on one bite of this banh mi. Like there's so much of flavor here. Mm. Really good. And now we're in these boats.
No India.
No, South Africa. Cool. These are coconut boats.
Let's go.
Yeah. So we're traveling in these boats that
Let's go.
they call them coconut boats, and they're shaped like a circle.
Oh, nice. Beautiful. Good. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Xin chào. Let's go.
Let's go.
Từ đúc kề Mỹ Sục nè. Từ đúc Mỹ Sục. Rồi nè. Ủa chân nó sạch.
Now here at the Oi and Memory Show, and this place has like mini shows all around.
Hầu những người không chịu ăn cơm ngồi chung với nhau là đúng. Nghĩa đang chị để xem mình tốt được cái đuôi.
Taste of meat. Actual meat. As I watched the show, I noticed something completely different from watching shows in other Asian countries. That Vietnamese people have their own different feel and uniqueness about them compared to the rest of Asia. And you'll see in the show. Then we are offered a chance to see a special show with Vietnamese dancers, and that piqued my interest. I was told that there were going to be beautiful Vietnamese women dancing at the show. So you can imagine my surprise when the woman or person on the stage was in fact not a woman. This person went to touch some of the people in the audience. The man next to me almost jumped out of his seat. It was so funny. These are actual Vietnamese women. This show was actually quite entertaining, and I definitely recommend you go here when you're in Da Nang or Hoi An. This old guy next to me was the MVP of the show. His reactions to everything just cracked me up. This is Vietnamese sweet soup with ice. Now let's try the Vietnamese soup. They made a mix of flavors for me to choose from. I'm not exactly sure what beans. These are fermented bean soup or bean soup. Beans, coconut, sugar. The flavor is amazing. Really amazing flavor. Like a fusion of coconut, sweet bean. I get a bit of sweet brown bean in there. Wow, really good. This is my first time I've tried this sort of dish in Asia. It's really good. So that was Hoi An memories. Great, very unique experience. A look into the culture here at Hoi An, and yeah, overall great fun.